Hi guys, welcome back to P-Train Productions, and today I have another update for you guys. Some of you guys asking me how is my DIY skimmer doing, and today I would like to show you. So basically I have besides my 3-barrel filter system, I do have another skimmer system right here, running on a 4,500 gallon per hour pump versus to 6,500 gallon per hour that I had initially. So this 4,500 gallon per hour pump works better. I can get a calmer waterfalls. So the purpose of this skimmer is just to filter all the debris, large debris from the surface of the pond. As you can see, I have a lot of cherries. I have a cherry tree right here just on the side of the pond. It was here before I built this pond. So I'm getting a lot of fruits dropping down and leaves and so on. So I normally clean this once a day. Wow, I got some small goldfish keep getting inside here. Oh, and I have so I'm gonna take these guys out first. I have a slug, a visitor. It's the first time I've seen it. Okay, off you go, buddy. Alright, as you can see, normally every day I come out here and the first thing I check is my skimmer. And you see the basket there is full, so I usually clean out the basket. And that's all I do. And below the basket is a green Matala filter. It's again, the purpose of this skimmer is just to filter out all the last debris, so that's why I use the green Matala down there, just to catch the last debris. So I haven't cleaned that yet. It's been like 6 weeks now. So today I'm gonna pull it up and see how it's like. I haven't seen any reduction in the flow of water and the waterfalls. So no, I don't really need to clean that, but I'm gonna pull it up just to show you guys today. So first of all, I'm gonna clean the top first. I need my skimmer bass net. Clean out all this. Yeah, so usually I just dump it into the grass, but I think it's a good idea just to collect this and throw it into the compost. There's some on the outside here. Yeah, as you can see, this is my autofill valve. Every time I clean my 3-barrel system, the water goes down, and this one will automatically fill up the pond. So now next I'm going to turn up my pump. There. Now it's up. So as soon as it's turned up, pull up the basket. I got one slot in there. Anyway, so I got a little rock here just to keep the basket down. Just empty the basket like that. Then I rinse it out with the garden hose. And pour this one up. Out. So, a telemat. There you go, guys. So, it's not that dirty. And you can see, you can almost see through. Just again, the purpose of this skimmer is just to filter out the last debris. I also have a bio boss and gravel at the waterfall there, which I never clean it out. I only flush it out at the end of the season. So let's grab the garden hose and rinse this one out. Alright, kid. Well, this should be good enough for the rest of the season. Ooh. Set this one back in. Down. Now my shelf. Oh. From there. Back in. There we go. Now the basket. So that's it. This is the main one. Every day just empty it out and rinse it off and set it back in. A little rock to keep the weight down before I turn on the pump. Okay, skimmer. Oh. Alright, water start flowing in. some debris already. So you see right away, there's a lot of debris coming in already. Water going back out. So I'll show you this. So about 2-inch black ABS pipe there. That's my bypass from my waterfall. If I don't have this bypass, the water gonna run too strong in the falls there and making a lot of loud noises. So I have this bypass just to reduce that flow. Right there. So that's it, guys. That's my DIY skimmer update. The water is still clean, and it draws a lot of debris inside that skimmer every day. So like I said, that's my routine maintenance, daily routine maintenance. I have to clean that once a day. Yeah, you may say that I need more green plants, but a plant right now, there's no shade in the water except this cherry tree providing some shade. Other than that, my water lily being eaten up by my fish for some reason. So I've got no leaves on those water lily. These fish seem to be hungry all the time. Yeah, they keep eating every time I throw the food to them. It's a little bit jumpy. Anyway guys, that is another update from my pond. And my DIY skimmer. Oh, nice and clean now. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.